Working from home? The HomeBase kit gives you the tools to make this transition seamless. Whether you're a doctor, teacher, student, religious leader, newscaster, or freelancer, it contains all these essential items. A noise-canceling headset with a microphone to isolate your voice from a noisy room and hear what's going on in your video conference. An external microphone for clean audio when you can't be near your phone. Or use it for pre-recorded content to be used later. You can even use both to have a Zoom recording going on your laptop and an Instagram Live going on your phone. A collapsible background to quickly isolate your environment. No need to clean up or worry about people crossing behind you. Always be the center of attention, no matter what working environment you find yourself in. Simply set it up and you're ready to go. A tabletop tripod for your phone, small camera, or a simple mic stand setup. We've also included a bag to hold all these accessories and a small camera or laptop. This kit will have you up and running in no time. No need to worry about unclear audio, background noise, or a messy room ever again. Available in 2 kits, with and without a background. Whether you're a doctor, teacher, student, religious leader, newscaster, or freelancer. Stay home, stay efficient, stay safe.